So I'm going to try and give you a little bit of the rainforest. It gets dense in there, so I don't know how it's going to work, but we got some papayas up here at the top, just sort of as place fillers and for some good fruit. Ficus Stamaropsis. And at the entrance, plumerias. This pink plumeria is real vigorous. So this path takes us down into the rainforest. And what I tried to do in this area, if possible, was plant similar looking plants in groups. So to the layperson it would look like a grouping, and then the collectors could still see the differences between the plants, and it'd be good comparisons. For example, Ravinia glauca and Ravinia glauca, and this is actually Glauca hildebrandii hybrid. It looks pretty much like glauca, but that's sort of the idea I was going for. Ficus Stamaropsis. More papaya. Finally have overhead plants for canopy, so it's nice to get some shade down here. Coming around the corner here, a little group of Dipsis leptokilos way overhead now. But as I was saying, Dipsis leptokilos, and then tucked back in here, Dipsis lastoliana, and next to this guy, Cyphophoenix alba. So the whole white powdery, red fuzzy theme in this area. Kind of just a way to make sense of it all, I guess. Michelia alba as a canopy tree. Chamaedorea microspadix. Wallachia densiflora. I don't know how to make that happy, it just kind of fries out here. Give it a few more years in the ground. Atalea. Not sure which one. And a whole little grove of chamberonias. Just took the shade cloth off, and they're getting half a day of sun, and they're doing fine now. They're off to the races from here. Just starting to open up on that one. Got a mixture of both hooker eye and standard macrocarpa varieties up here. Some miscellaneous small plantings. Basically I try to plant real dense with things next to each other growing at different speeds, so I get a separation of the vertical layers. And finally it's starting to happen, and I can go back in and plant a second tier. This is Kenteopsis pyriformis. And Sigris botryophora. Just must be 15 feet tall now. Really fast growing.